Welcome to my YouTube channel Blisstronics, where I review health, tech, and books related content for you. And today in this video, I'll be reviewing the top 6 benefits of apple cider vinegar, but which are backed by science. So, friends, before proceeding, I want to emphasize that all the videos and all the channels that are related to health and diet, you should only take them as informational purpose, and these type of videos should never be taken as medical advice. For any medical condition, you must consult your doctor. So let's proceed with the video. Friends, apple cider vinegar has been used by people for centuries for home remedies and cooking purposes, and you'll find tons of stuff on internet explaining about numerous benefits of apple cider vinegar. Some explain about the antimicrobial, antibacterial benefits, anti-cholesterol type benefits of ACV, that is apple cider vinegar. But today we'll be discussing about 6 benefits of ACV that have some scientific explanation. So the first benefit is that it is very high, ACV is very high in the contents of acetic acid, which is the main ingredient responsible for the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. So friends, all these weak acids like acetic acid, citric acid, they have got some inherent benefits for the health. And friends, it's also important to understand that apple cider vinegar does not contain any minerals or vitamins. It only contains small amount of potassium. So friends, second benefit of apple cider vinegar is that because it contains acetic acid, so as a result it is a mild bactericidal product, and it can help in killing harmful bacteria or prevent them from multiplying. So it is because of this reason that apple cider vinegar has been traditionally used as a natural disinfectant and a natural preservative. There are many studies that have shown apple cider vinegar to even inhibit some bacteria like E. coli, which are the main culprits in spoiling the food. So, third benefit of apple cider vinegar, friends, is that it has been shown to be helpful in improving the insulin sensitivity in type 2 diabetes patients. So it has got important role in improving the insulin sensitivity after meals. However, friends, one must understand that for diabetes sugar management, any single compound will not be sufficient, and in case of diabetes, you must never take any product as substitute of professional medicines that are prescribed by your doctors. Also, in case of diabetes, one must control the refined carbs and sugar in the diet. And as far as intake of apple cider vinegar is concerned, it can be taken as prescribed and consultation with your doctor. Another useful benefit of apple cider vinegar that is proved by science is that it is useful in weight loss. So the reason scientific explanation is that there are various studies that have shown that consuming apple cider vinegar in the diet can increase our sense of fullness, and automatically it will result in consuming lesser calories and losing the weight. However, friends, for sustainable weight loss, a single substitution or addition in the diet will not lead to weight loss, and long term weight loss can be created only if we adopt a healthy, balanced lifestyle. So, the fifth and the second last proven benefit of apple cider vinegar is that there are various researches in different animals like rats that have shown that apple cider vinegar can reduce the levels of cholesterol and other uh, compounds like triglycerides that can reduce the blood pressure in these animals. But friends, these effects have not been tested so far as the humans are concerned. And the last scientific explanation of benefit of ACV is that because it contains acetic acid, which is a weak acid, It helps to improve the skin in certain conditions like eczema and other mild infections. However, again, if you are suffering from serious or skin conditions, you must consult your dermatologist. Friends, this was a video on the scientific benefits of apple cider vinegar. But friends, this is only a first of part of many apple cider vinegars that videos that I'll be following on. First, another video will be on what should be the dosage of apple cider vinegar, and when should we take it and how to take it. Are there any side effects of apple cider vinegar, and what are the combinations that we can take apple cider vinegar with, whether we should take with honey or lemon, and all these type of questions I'll try to answer in subsequent videos. So if you like this video, to support me, I would request you to like this video and subscribe my channel for many such videos in the future. Thanks friends.